Hello guys, it's me Muhammad Shahnawaz, and today the topic of my video is that how to make your computer more uh, comfortable and more monetized. So as you can see, what is this? What is this? If we search here YouTube, it will automatically open YouTube. So what are these skins? This is called the Rainmeter skin, which make our PC more reliable for us. These are DC discs. You can open almost any kind of disk from here. So today we will talk about how to download these skins. I will give the link of how to download Rainmeter in the description, because if we will download Rainmeter, so the video will be very long. So I will just show you how to download the skins of Rainmeter. And one thing that I want to say, that if you are new on the channel, just hit this button, and if you want the notification of my videos, click on all, and that's it. Now open a new tab and write here Rainmeter skins, and now as you search, the skins for Rainmeter will open. Now where are the skins I was looking for? These type of skins are available on Rainmeter. If you download the software Rainmeter, so you can monetize your PC like this. I like the Jarvis blue skin most of all, because it's very cool, and it's like this Jarvis blue skin, and I will show you here Jarvis blue skin. This one, it's got a number of features, but it has got a problem. The problem is this, that this skin is a little bit of difficult to understand. I mean that you can't understand these type of skins, because they have many features. So you should take the skin which are easy to understand. Sorry. Yes. So now we will download some skins for our Rainmeter and set them on our desktop. Rainmeter skins. I will show you how to set these skins, so you don't want to waste your time. And here is okay, I want to tell you that there are different types of Rainmeters. The one that are latest version have more features, and some are not latest version, they are the previous versions, so they have little bit of skins are available for them, but they are very cool. So a simple, we will choose this simple skin, and I have learned this nowadays, and not very, I'm not sure about this Rainmeter, and I'm not responsible for any kind of issue, because I am just a beginner in this Rainmeter. I have spent only 3 months exploring this. Guys, this is a very big site, big software, and you can't do it in only seconds. You have to wait to learn this. Open when done. This is a tip. When always when you download a thing or a software, you will just click here and click on open when done. So it will open. If you want to see it in folder, just click show in folder, or if you want to pause, so you can pause it. It's downloading. We will just pause the video and then I will show you when it downloads. So guys, here I have installed that skin, but it didn't install because I was having the old version. So here I will apply this one skin. You don't worry, you are saying that Cheyenne told us that he will, but he didn't. Like this, you can make your PC, your desktop like this. You will see that how many skins I have added. And you don't worry, I will add the link how to download the Rainmeter in the description. So this one skin disappeared because it was already here. I prefer you to don't download big skins because they simply disturb your PC and it doesn't work. If your PC is core to do, or I personally have Core i5, but it disturbed my PC, the big skins, a little bit. But if you have Core to do, it will simply hang and make your PC disturb. So I prefer you to use simple. This is a privacy, so I will not add it. System. It will show you the boost of your CPU. And this is the time. So this is how we use skin of Rainmeter. If you install Rainmeter, it will be visible here. Here press this and here it will be visible, Rainmeter. I will give the link in the description, but it will be old version because they work more suitable than the new versions. You can download, you can go anywhere from here. And these skins, these are the skins that are genuine. It means that they are personally the skins of Rainmeter. If you download Rainmeter, these will automatically set. But one thing about this is that here on the mid of your desktop, the skin that will be not very good because you will just right click on that and unload it, because it will teach you how to use Rainmeter and it will be not look good. So this was my video. If you like my video, just like And if you have any question regarding